Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out from Animoto. Animoto is an online video making platform where you can create professional videos using photos, clips, music and text without any editing experience. And if you're done creating your video using a shared device, it's important to log out of Animoto properly. And in this video I'll show you step by step on how to log out of your Animoto account clearly, safely. So let's get started. So first you need to open to your Animoto. And you should now see the Animoto dashboard with your video projects. And once you reach to the Animoto interface, what you can do is you need to look for the settings on the bottom right. And over here, when you reach to the setting interface, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find a logout drop down menu. You'll be instantly signed out and redirected to the Animoto login page. Simply tap on the logout and this is it. And that's how you can log out of your Animoto properly and safely. And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. If you have any confusion or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.